Hi Felters and welcome. So day 12 is upon us. I guess between today and tomorrow we'll be halfway through because I have put you a day 25 in this Advent calendar. I always feel that Advent calendars should have a day 25 because it's a disappointment if there's nothing there on Christmas Day. So I guess we are nearly halfway through. Day 12, let's get the bag. I've got to try and find day 12. It's not at the top. 13, 16, 15, oh 12, it's at the side. There we go. I hear the bells. I do believe. Right, so day 12. Let's open it up. Let's show it a bit better. There we go. So finally, after all the time I've been saying things will arrive, we have a little Christmas hat, a little Christmas scarf, a little ribbon. Then we've also got a little longer piece of ribbon with little sort of balls on it. And then, oh, you might have another ribbon. I kind of threw a few of these ribbons in. Then we'll also have, this is my favourite one, is the little bells ribbon. So I think that's really cute. And we'll keep that for a special one at the end. And then I also put in 3 little holly berries, I suppose I would call them, on little sticks, and we can twist them together. So these are all your Christmas decorations. Finally, let's try and pick them all up. Don't think I can hold all of them that well. And as I said, they are going to be optional. I wanted to make your life a bit easier so you didn't have to make a little woolly hat. You can make a woolly hat. It's not a problem. I'll show you how to do that sort of later on. You can make your own. But, do you know, I like to make it a little bit easy by having the ribbons sort of all done. But if you've got ribbon yourself and you want to use that instead at home, this one's a really cute one for one of the projects we haven't made yet. And the little scarf is for the fox. So, yeah, my favourite, like I said, we'll use this slightly towards the end, is the little bells. But I just wanted to give you the option, if you want to keep it Christmassy, you can, by using all of these little Christmas pieces. But if you don't want to, you can have your wreath as a sort of autumnal wreath, so you can have it all year. But there we go, that is day 12. So I hope you're coming along well with everything. So we'll see you tomorrow for day 13, which is another project.